Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today, we have an exclusive review and test drive of the highly anticipated 2023 Toyota Fielder. So, let's dive right in and explore what makes this car the ultimate choice. The history of the iconic Toyota Fielder. From its humble beginnings to its evolution as a modern-day classic, this is a story that will leave you mesmerized. Our journey begins in 2000 when the first-generation Toyota Fielder burst onto the scene. With its sleek design and spacious interior, it quickly became a favorite among families and individuals alike. Its reliability and fuel efficiency set new standards in the automotive industry. As time passed, the Toyota Fielder continued to evolve. In 2006, the second generation hit the streets with a bolder and more dynamic look. Enhanced safety features and improved performance made it an even more sought-after choice for drivers around the world. But Toyota didn't stop there. In 2012, the third-generation Toyota Fielder took the world by storm. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative features, it redefined what a compact car could be. This was the era of luxury and convenience, where style and practicality came together seamlessly. And now, we arrive at the present day. The fourth-generation Toyota Fielder embodies everything that has made this vehicle a legend. With its sleek lines, advanced safety systems, and state-of-the-art infotainment, it is a testament to the unwavering commitment of Toyota to deliver excellence. From its inception to the present day, the Toyota Fielder has truly stood the test of time. It has become an integral part of countless memories and journeys, providing comfort, reliability, and joy to millions of drivers around the world. So, whether you're a fan of the classic or embracing the modern, the Toyota Fielder offers something for everyone. Join us as we continue to discover the remarkable legacy of this legendary car. The 2023 Toyota Fielder boasts a sleek and modern design that catches everyone's attention. Its smooth curves and bold lines give it a sporty and dynamic look, making it a head-turner on the road. Under the hood, this car is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient engine, delivering a smooth driving experience with fantastic acceleration. Whether you're navigating the city streets or cruising on the highway, the 2023 Toyota Fielder ensures a comfortable ride. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious and well-designed interior. The high-quality materials and ergonomic layout create a luxurious atmosphere. Equipped with the latest technology features, such as a touchscreen infotainment system and driver assistance technologies, the Fielder keeps you connected and safe on every journey. One of the standout features of the 2023 Toyota Fielder is its versatility. With ample cargo space and folding rear seats, you'll have no trouble fitting all your belongings. Whether it's a family weekend getaway or a trip to the hardware store, the Fielder has you covered. But how does it perform on the road? Let's take it for a spin. The responsive steering and smooth handling make maneuvering through tight corners a breeze. Its advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable and stable ride on any surface. The 2023 Toyota Fielder combines style, performance, and versatility, making it the ultimate choice for those seeking a reliable and practical car. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive review and test drive of the 2023 Toyota Fielder. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy driving.